Hello, good morning.
Guys. Yeah, we're here at the Gold Coast Botanical Gardens. It's very nice now. We've got good rain and no droughts, so the water flows. It's going to be a nice little trip around the Botanical Garden here. We hope you enjoy the tour. Well, let's go.
Yeah, will you show you around?
This is the waterfall just around the corner from the entrance here. Nice little spot. This one I don't think it was going through the drought. Now they've got it going, which makes it nice. Got the little water birds like the waterfowl down there. So that's a little pick away at the bugs and the insects, that type of thing. We feast on. Probably find a few water birds, maybe a few swans and ducks through the park. The dragon lizards, I don't know if they'll be out. Might be a long time of year. We'll see how we go though.
Hello guys.
Hey guys, we'll just do a pan around here because it goes down into the little lake down here from under the roadway here, the waterfall behind us, and the fountains. It just drops down here and have a bit of a look down here. Just turn around, love.
Yeah, we have to turn around. Yeah.
There she goes down into the little lake behind
Yeah,
us.
dumadala yung tubig pababa guys. Yung may ibon din doon. Parang malit na pato, ayan. Ayan.
Nice little birds, those water birds.
Yeah. Okay, we have to continue. Show you around mga darling. May isda, may isda, may isda. Ayun guys, may isda, may isda. Nakikita nyo? Nakikita nyo guys? Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ang laking isda, ang laking isda. Oo, oo. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Malaking isda. Kung sa atin yan, kinuha na yan, pero dito bawal. Wala na, tumakbo na. There you go, Sunda. Yan, dumadali ang tubig.
Walkways and that, very much a rainforest type atmosphere. Very, very nice.
Naghahanap pa daw ng maraming isda. Pang gabi, pang tanghalian. May turtle. Yan, may pagong na doon sila, nagre-rest sila doon sa punong kahoy ng tama. Oh, tingnan nyo. Parang hindi na turtle, ang maraming moist sa likod. Pagong talaga, katamad-tamad. Ayan, puro moist na kaitim ay. Yeah, tamad na pagong. Ayan, hindi na makikita, mapapansin guys. Puro na, lumot, parang moist sa likod niya. Ayan.
He's listening to you talk there, love. He's turned around a bit. He's having a bit of a
Nahiya
listen.
daw siya, sabi nila kay nahiya daw siya.
He's a nice big fella, isn't he?
May ibon doon kang maliit na ibon. Ibon asaan yung ibon?
The tree branches go right under the water. They're still growing
Yeah.
at the side here. So it's amazing those trees will actually grow down their branches down into the water.
Yan, umano na umangat yung ulo yung yung pagong. Ayan, pagong.
Like your sunbaking, very relaxed, leg hanging down.
Parang sobra namang
bit of
iting nito ay.
dryness.
What's that? It look like a batil on her bum.
Tail, yeah. Some turtles do. They have a tail. Just different type of turtle, different species, I suppose.
Okay. Yeah, tamad na
Richie's
tamad.
He's enjoying the day on the branch.
Yan.
Making a rest. Here's another one here.
Where?
It's just popped up. Put the head back down. They're watching these two.
Under the water.
Under the water, just there.
Oh,
Just pop their head back there.
Yeah.
Watch.
Uwak naman sa atin yan, oh. Uwak. Pero yan sila kay tinitindihan yung uwak.
Fella, just run underneath.
Yan, tumakbo siya.
Just run underneath. Very cool. Just swim across.
Ayan.
These are the males, these two. He's just gone under the bridge here, the big male. Moves on. Here he is, back up top.
Yan, doon sa taas yung isa.
He's on top of us here.
Yan na, kahabulin natin yan. Ayan. Ganda ng kulay. Purple na ibon. Malaki.
I should call him Bigfoot for the size of those feet.
Malapit sa
Very,
akin.
very big.
Takot ako sa ibon. Lalapit ka na. Takot ako.
He's come up for a nice show, this fella. He's very...
Yes, he's very friendly.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, that's just two girls. He's probably after some food for Eve.
Yeah, we should.
Sorry, mate. Next one.
Yeah, next time.
I'll be very sociable.
Yeah, I think he's friendly.
Yeah, he is.
He's very friendly.
He's come up.
Yeah, he's coming back. Balik. Balik ka dito. Ang ganda ng pool. Ay, malapit ka lakay. Oh. Sayang, we should bring some bread pet.
Next time I'll bring birds. He's social.
Even just birds, we should bring some bread. Oh my God.
He's friendly.
Bye-bye, bird.
Oh, that's what we're supposed to do with him. He's a nice.
Yan, habol pa rin ng habol yung ibon sa amin. Ay, ayan.
The crow, you got the big crow here now. Like a little crow.
Pupunta kay Pete. Pupunta kay Pete. Ayan, may isa pang uwak doon. Yung laki ng mata ay. Ito naman, lapit kay Pete. Talaga, parang nagutom. Oh. Yan. Uwak. Ang itim ay uwak. Babay, uwak.
He's got his water.
Andyan pa rin sila ay. Hindi talaga maano. Linuluko nila kayo. Linuluko, lapit ng lapit. Sunod ng subot. Gutom talaga ay. O, tignan nyo. Nagugutom, linuluko nila kayo. Ano ka ba? He's hungry. Hello guys, linuloko nila kayong ibon.
We didn't expect these
Habol
birds to
naman
be
ng
so friendly.
habol. Mabait siya, pero takot ako sa ibon. Sila kayo naman, linuloko lang, wala naman ibibigay na pagkain. What do you call this one? Water cress or water lily? What we call what? Yeah, water lily. May mga tao din dito. Someday ano lang, yung mga family ba, pupunta dito, pinapakain yung mga ibon. Ayun. May mga nagpapakain sa ibon na pamilya. Bata. Kamu, yan, lapitan natin yung ibon na yun. Ay. Yeah. Ayun. Paano siya? Baka mahulog ako dyan ay. Ano natin doon, lapit natin doon sa ano.
This little fella here is a very good fisher. He'll dive, get the fish.
Ayan, parang nakakatakot sa kitsura guys. Ayan. Ayan. Come here. Look at this. Look at here. Oh. Takot. 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 Kakatakot sa kitsura. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. She's gonna fly. Ang bilis. Ayan, nakalahati na namin. Libot-libot sa ano, sa Botanical.
Just the other side of us here, we've got the one of the other entrances. It's got like a bit of an Asian like rooftop on it over there. So we spin it around, love, turn around.
Yeah, turn around. Yeah, I show you another view.
He's sitting with the emu and one of the national emblems, the kangaroo too.
Wow, very soft.
Yeah. You see a lot of them on the coins,
This is the little
Australian coins,
kangaroo, is it?
these type of things. Kangaroo, yeah, young kangaroo.
Okay.
Yeah, but nice scenery to have these in. Behind us there's a small one, platypus. They're a very different animal. She loves it. I think we're taking this one home.
Okay.
Okay. Platypus, little Australian platypus, is a very, very different mammal. This guy, a platypus is warm-blooded. They've got the bill like a duck or whatever. They have on the back feet poison spines on the platypus here, so they can protect themselves. If you get hit with poison spine, it'll tickle you up. You'll feel it for about a week. It's not too good. Got the long tail, paddle tail, and the platypus, believe it or not, they lay eggs. So they're an egg layer mammal. So it's very, very different.
Okay. Yeah.
This part of the garden, you're climbing roses on the wood.
Yeah, tumutubo pa lang yung mga mga roses.
Some roses. More statues down here. But over there behind the garden here, along the side there with the orange bottle brushes on it, the bottle brush bush, which is an Australian natural, very hardy in drought time. You find a lot of different bushes here in Australia. We've got a tree coming up here now with the berries on it. I'm not sure what that one is. A couple of statues here. Interesting.
Yeah po. Pinupuntahan lang ng mga pamilya para sa mga bata, simpleng holiday sa sa weekend ba. Kaya kailangan gumasto ng malaki para maging masayang mo yung mga bata.
Down there with the suits and photographing something down behind us.
Tumutubo pa lang yung mga roses nila. Ayan guys, sa part ng Botanical Garden, parang may ikakasal o yun, may mga kalahi ba? Kalahi natin, ayun sila. Hinihintay yung yung ikakasal. Ayun. May ikakasal guys. Pakialaman natin na videoin ba. Kumabila na kami guys. Sa ibang part na naman ng botanical. Ayun, may lalangoy nag-aaway na Yan, nag-aaway sila. Oh, what a noise. What a noise. What a noise.
Mating, starting to mating season, I'd say. Cool.
Yeah, it's nice that's pink. Yeah, it's a few there in the corner. Yeah, it's a little bit bushy. Yeah.
I'll take a walk around.
Yeah. Hello guys.
Hi guys. Yeah, just having a look around the background behind us. The park's bigger than what we thought. It's got a long way to go around, so it's exploratory at the moment. We're just finding our way around here at the coast too. But as we find more and more, we can show you more.
Malawak, ang lawak.
Yeah, it's some nice native trees and bushes around here too. Luckily now they don't have to worry about the drought.
Maingay. Very noise bird.
Plenty of bird life. Yeah, we found that. Found the turtle, the eels, the crows, the waterfowl. Yeah, so plenty to look at.
Nagnunuti na naman sila kaya wala naman siya ipapakain. Pero nuti.
Yep, there's a shot. Little bamboo forest, very thick. They've kept well trimmed, but very straight through. It's pure bamboo. Looks right through to the centre. It's an actual nice spot. They have a little house inside there.
Little house.
It'd be very sturdy. I'd say it's very thick. All of that bamboo.
It's good to go back as a kid and then you can go there and hide and seek.
It'd be hard to get through there because it's very thick inside, love. It's
Yes.
You'd have fun though. As a kid, yeah, a lot of fun. Okay, folks, here's the end. Education Pavilion. Just inside here, it gives you all the different areas. We've just come through the butterfly section. So springtime we'll have to take you through the butterfly section here, all different butterflies. Across the way there, they've got a play set for kids, play park, that type of thing. So there's a lot more to the botanical gardens yet we've got to see for the future. There are nice big play fields over there for kids. The butterfly one would do very good, I'd say, in the springtime. We'll have a quick look here at the pavilion behind us, these pictures here, to show like bottle brushes, all the different flowers. It also shows you the fruits, some of the fruits and the nuts in the natural bush environment here in Australia. So you get these natural fruits and nuts down out of the trees here in the park. So it's an educational route we're taking here. You hopefully will see some birds like over here. See rosellas.
Okay.
At the top we've got the ones here like leek, potato, asparagus, celery. Like it says, they're all edible stems. There's plenty of food here in the natural environment of the country here. You just got to know what you're looking for. If you're a good bushman, I suppose you've got no dramas, but fibrous roots, you got your berries, all over the place you've got different areas you can find foods. But it's interesting to see just how much there is they've got here in the gardens. G'day guys, this is the end of the tour of Botanical Gardens here in the Gold Coast, Queensland. It's a very nice park, and we had a couple of unexpected experiences with
Malawak.
the eel, Mr. Eel, the turtle, the little fishing cormorant was nice. The crows, even the crows were nice here, so lovely park, lovely garden, and the lake was interesting. We hope you had a good time. And,
Yeah,
have a good
enjoy.
weekend.
Enjoy watching.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.